everyone. Pearl, say hi. Follow along as we start our day. Right now I'm headed down to go meet Bill at one of the trees that we're gonna fell right now and buck up, add to the burn pile, make some firewood. Is the Madrone tree that we will be felling today. As you can see right here, it got very badly burnt during the CZU fire a few years back, and from a burn pile we recently had a few days ago, it was more burnt. So we're going to be felling it. Should land right there.
I like tying an alpine butterfly because it's really easy to untie after you shock load it. So you just get 3 loops. You take the rearmost loop, you put it on the front. You take the now rearmost loop, you put that in the front. You pull it through, give yourself a little bit of room there, and then tighten it on both sides. And now we'll attach our winch to this. Bring this metal part on the back of the tree so it's not, if it breaks, it doesn't get flung. If we tried to straight pull on the tree, we'd be pulling like way up in the air. I feel better about pulling it down. So stand on this side. I know this isn't a huge triangle of death, but that side, right, is the loaded side. Stop. Came out pretty good. I would have liked to have been a little up here just to deal with it in post, but we'll get it out of here. This tree ended up being a lot heavier than it looks. Eventually we were able to get it cut up into smaller pieces and pulled up the hill with the winch, and I was able to bring some firewood over to my neighbor. While we were at it over here, we decided to drop this scraggly oak tree.
Walking down to the other burn pile I started about half an hour ago while Pearl was taking a nap, and now it's up in flames, so coming to show Pearl, and we'll show you guys too. So now that this trailer is back in action, Pearl and I are going to go to some of our neighbors' houses, properties, and drop off a few things that they let us borrow. Yeah, Pearl. We should probably go check on Daddy, huh? Yeah.
Exactly what we're going for. With rain forecasted for tonight, we thought it'd be a great opportunity to burn out some of our bramble and low brush.
Like, follow, and subscribe.